Surprising facts about the Ottoman Empire you never knew. The Ottomans started as a small Turkish beylik, principality, in northwestern Anatolia. Through strategic alliances, military prowess, and effective leadership, they rose to become a vast empire. The Ottomans were formidable conquerors, boasting an impressive military record. They participated in 192 wars over 6 centuries, winning a staggering 155. At its peak, the Ottoman Empire spanned 3 continents, Europe, Asia, and Africa, controlling over 45 countries. Their reach extended from Vienna to the Arabian Peninsula. While the Ottomans were a Muslim empire, they generally adopted a policy of religious tolerance towards conquered Christian and Jewish populations. This allowed for a remarkable degree of coexistence. Ottoman women, particularly those in the imperial court, wielded significant influence. The Sultan's mother, often referred to as the Valid Sultan, held considerable power behind the scenes. The Ottomans were pioneers in various fields. They established one of the first public hospitals, developed advanced gunpowder weaponry, and made significant contributions to astronomy and cartography. Coffee culture flourished under Ottoman rule. Coffee houses became social hubs for intellectual discussions and artistic expression. The Ottomans even had dedicated officials tasked with ensuring coffee quality. Ottoman architecture left a lasting legacy. From the awe-inspiring Hagia Sophia to the elegant Topkapi Palace, their grand structures blended Byzantine and Islamic influences, shaping the region's aesthetics. The Ottomans assumed the role of guardians of the holy cities of Mecca and Medina, ensuring safe passage for Muslim pilgrims undertaking the Hajj pilgrimage. The Ottoman Empire's influence continues to be felt today. From the legal system in some countries to the region's cultural tapestry, the Ottomans left an indelible mark on the world.